Sometimes the strongest among us are the ones who smile through silent pain, cry behind closed doors, and fight battles nobody knows about. People need to understand that once you go through your worst times alone, you really don't care who stays in your life anymore. Never plan a future with people who don't have future plans. It is your life. Don't let anyone make you feel guilty for living it your way. You don't need to worry about whether you're worthy. You are. And as soon as you start believing that, your life will change. If you have a burning desire and a plan to take action, there is absolutely nothing you cannot achieve. Time won't make you forget. It will make you grow and understand things. Once you are in a relationship, it's not guaranteed to last forever. It only lasts as long as both parties are working for it. If one person stops working, it falls apart. Two things define us: our patience when we have nothing, and our attitude when we have everything. Keep your distance from people who will never admit they are wrong and always try to make you feel like it's all your fault. One of the hardest things to do is let go of someone while you still care. The memories and feelings linger, making it painful to move on. But sometimes letting go is necessary for your own well-being and growth. The true mark of maturity is when somebody hurts you and you try to understand their situation instead of trying to hurt them back. It's a brave act of self-love to acknowledge that holding on might be causing more harm than good. Trust that with time, the pain will lessen and you'll find peace knowing you made the right choice for your future. Smile in every situation because no one cares whether you cry, die, or fly high. 5 rules of happiness. Don't hate anyone. Don't compare yourself to others. Don't worry about the past or future. Don't expect to get what you give. Never complain about your difficulties. When you were born, you cried, and the world rejoiced. Live your life so that, when you die, the world cries, and you rejoice. A real man has nothing to hide. He will tell you the truth about whatever you want to know, because he knows that. If he's 100% honest with you, you will trust him no matter what. Some people could be given an entire field of roses and only see the thorns in it. Others could be given a single weed and only see the wildflower in it. Perception is a key component to gratitude, and gratitude is a key component to joy. To make a woman want to have sex with you, the first thing you need to do is make her feel sexually attracted to you.